President ka United Democratic Party UDP uba Metbah lingdo hakashpotrik jilio. Ula ong baka party jong kadang syusdang tangi ki jingpen kre nakabenta ka election sheeteng samoy jong kasyulong lok sabha. Bat kan pendongi ki jingialap pura tat hadien bak election commission kan penbena ya ka tarik tap vote. Ula ong baka jingle ya ka special intensive revision SIR halor ke electoral roll kaban sedang shen kadai ka weni ki daw namar kan nyai ringkat per ka jingpen kre ya ka election. Habakran Syllad patai kubor uba Metbah ula ong ngimpat penlong ya ka jingalap election bapura namar ompat syumla penbena ya ka tarik tap vote. Henry habak mi halor ka jingle ya ka SIR kabansa sedang no shen kataru kadai ka weni ki daw. Kani kamla banyai lang hakajuk kapor bar ka jingpendong yak election kumtangin haban am barok ka syong hak sorkar bar ka election commission jongkari India une uhe ka UDP ulaong baka parti kelas dang ki jingalang ki bahapo hapadeng kinongalam bar kinong tre jongka Henry kimpat sedang satiai ki program ki bayade bar ki ba ngadang syus dang tang hai ki jingpen kre ngin nait yakendu ya barok kinongalam jongka parti kinong tre kinong ai mensim ki bakwa ban wan shek program Henry kampat de satya ka benta bat ki ba ulaong haba benrap bagi jing a jingmut na ki jinga kren ki baladap kilong ki basngotenan bat ki bapenyok mensim shibun na ka benta ukur tong jongka parti halor ka jing a jing kershan ka bala penyo na ka seng HSPDP uba Metbah ulaong baka UDP kampat yok ketien AA haduk menta Henry ngidang beteng wan pli ka jingkhang na kabenta kala jingkershan na kabenta ukurtong jongka uba deiru unonga saj an bala rimbha uba Vivan Stone karngap kenta.
Gone into the full swing mode because the announcement of the election date also is yet to be notified. But looking at the SIR exercise that is being, yet to commence immediately, and that also one part. So side by side, the election cannot be held. So one has to take a call for it. So it all depends on the government and the election commission. We have just started. We have just started in a low mode, and basically we are going to meet all the party leaders, party workers, and all well-wishers who would like to attend those programs, but not in a public platform.
How has the response been so far as the candidate is concerned?
I think the first meeting, was very positive, I should say. And overall, I would like to inform that the feedbacks, the opinions given by the people that our candidate is one of the is the best candidate so far, and people would like to see a change as far as the this MP by-election is concerned. No communication so far from HSPDP, but we are still keeping the door open for any individual or any political party or any group to extend the support for us.